Get ready to dive in because in this video we are replacing the front struts on a Honda Fit Sport. Welcome to the channel. Want to learn how to fix your car and save money? If so, smash that subscribe button for more content like this one. This 2011 Honda Fit Sport is in serious need of new struts, and today we're tackling the front ones. Let's go! Here are some of the tools you need. We went with Monroe struts. Here are the part numbers for each side and also in the video description. Alright, safety first. We are starting with the easy side, the passenger side. I suggest watching this video until the end because the driver's side is not as fun as this one. Let's start by removing the wheel. Here's the strut. We need to remove these two bolts, disconnect the top of the sway bar link, unscrew the brake hose bracket, and detach this cable from the strut. Then we can loosen it from the top, which is only one nut. We're using a wire to support the knuckle and prevent the CV axle from pulling out. Make sure you disconnect the sway bar link before you start moving the knuckle around. In our case, we had to disconnect it from the bottom at the end. Keep in mind that replacing struts can throw off your wheel alignment, so you'll want to get an alignment done when you're finished. This is what we were trying to avoid. Now we're ready to head up to the top. Remove this cover to access the top of the strut assembly. Remove the protective cap and let's loosen the top nut. We're using a 17mm ratcheting wrench and a 6mm Allen socket. And here's a quick trick to get extra leverage. And down it comes. Here's a top view of the strut. We're double checking that the CV axle is still fully seated before moving forward. And installing the new strut is the same exact process but in reverse order. Make sure you torque all bolts to factory specs and you're done with the passenger side. Yep, it's that easy. Now going for the driver's side, you'll need to remove the windshield wipers and this plastic cover. The top of the strut is much harder to reach on this side, so in our case, after trying every tool we had, we decided to remove the wiper's motor assembly. This gave us the space we needed to complete this side. Lastly, we put everything back together in reverse order and we did it! And that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.